Say you're having a nice day at the park. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and your coffee tastes miraculous. But once that cup of coffee takes effect, you need to use the bathroom, and fast. But there are people there, and once you get in, you just can't seem to go. What gives? Actually, there are terms for this. Paruresis, or shy bladder syndrome, is when you have trouble urinating in public or with other people around, and Paruresis is more or less the same, but for defecating. There's nothing physically wrong that keeps you from going, but for whatever reason, your brain is telling your body, no way. Generally, these conditions stem from a fear of being criticized for the physical facts of going, namely the sounds and smells. Both can seriously disrupt a person's daily life. You might not drink as much fluid in order to avoid having to go, or you might avoid using public restrooms entirely, which may lead you to hold it, which in the case of urination could lead to urinary problems. Now, I know it's easy to be embarrassed about bathroom-related issues, but if you have trouble going, talk with your healthcare provider and let it all out.